Sorry about the slight pause there. The camera fell over right as I was trying to lift it up, so I got you guys back a little bit further, so this time I don't knock you guys over. Like I said, I'm still this way. Alright, well, something was leaking, or that was probably the old fuel when I had it tipped over, whatever was in the carb, and then I sprayed too. So what I'll do is I'm really hoping that the gas tank isn't full of gunk as I put fuel in it, but we shall see shortly. So what I'll do is I'll unleash it. Like I said, it's a little dirty here. I actually do have air filters for this, surprisingly. They're not that expensive. I got them off eBay. So, just feeling it here. No fuel. I'm wondering now if it'll start spraying fuel. Like I said, I have fuel in there that I just put in there a little bit, but hopefully it's level enough. I know it says prime 3 times, but I'm really trying to make sure that the fuel is actually coming through. What I wanted to do, maybe if I spray a little bit in the primer side, who knows, it's probably bound up, but I'm wondering if that'll do anything. I know I just sprayed it a little bit, but if it coughs and dies, you know, obviously it's a carb issue, so I think it just pushed out a little bit of the primer. So I may have an issue with it being stuck in prime. Okay, well, we'll just put it outside. If not, I'll drop it. I'll just run it through the cleaner. Alright, so I have this engine control here. So it is on rabbit. Right here, sorry. It is on rabbit, because they run fast. I don't have a filter on it, but shouldn't matter. We'll see if it starts and stays running. It might not. Alright, contact. Curious if I just put a new filter on it, see how it starts up. I mean, obviously the spray did help, but I want to make sure that this works. Cheapest supplier is eBay. They sell these little cartridge type filters for Tecumsehs, and I think I got this, it was a 2-pack for like $6, so they're about $3 something a piece with tax, so not too bad. We'll just run it without the cover on, but that's got a filter on, so fire back up. right, nice. So it looked like it was starting to smooth out there. Now it doesn't necessarily mean that everything's good on it. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. The plug's got a little bit of rust, as you can tell. I don't think that's gonna really affect it. I'm more concerned with the carb. And this actually, I thought this was throttle control. That's actually for your self-propel, but it seems like regardless of the tension on it, if I go to the smaller speed or the higher speed, it's pretty much one speed. So I don't see a difference in it, but it does work. So that's, I guess, a plus. But yeah, this one looks to be okay. I mean, I don't see anything crazy other than all the dirt buildup because it sat outside, but surprisingly, it actually ran. It ran fairly good too. I mean, yeah, it was sputtering and whatnot and coughing, but the thing hasn't been run for a while. So just burning everything off. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give it a good test tomorrow. I'll let it sit overnight, and then yeah, I'll test it out tomorrow, see if it starts up and runs without any spray or anything, because I know that that primer getting sprayed could have also helped it. So yeah, quick and easy repair, just checking to see if anything's really leaking. I don't see any leaks on anything, but we'll let it sit overnight. There is a little bit of fuel still in here. As you can hear, it was like kind of taking fuel, kind of wasn't. There's a little bit of fuel in there. Sorry, you could kind of see it. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it's on the very bottom, so I'll have to add a little bit tomorrow. But yeah, if you guys like the content, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me about all your curb finds or repairs going on. I may also tomorrow try maybe spray painting a little bit of this. I think we could clean it up, make it look a little bit more decent, so somebody picks it up. So lawn mowing season is almost upon us, so I could get rid of this. Probably like in the neighborhood with a bag, probably like around what, 160, maybe 200. Yeah, so all in all, not a horrible repair. A little bit difficult because of the bar here. If it wasn't for the one adjustment for the height, it would have been probably a little bit quicker, but nonetheless, you could still work around it. It wasn't too bad. So yeah, I'll end it here and do a follow-up maybe in the next video or so, just showing how it is and making sure that everything was working properly. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take it easy.